Hello everyone, straight to the point. Here's my car. My 2009 Nissan GTR R35. A car I haven't seen since 2015 due to my military service obligations, COVID, and waiting forever for various parts that I ordered. This is going to be a series of 3 videos that's going to show from 2021 to 2024 various aspects of my car. In this video here, you see I have the BBS is still on there. They're still in pretty good shape. Paint, everything's still pretty good on the car, with the exception of the rear tire. Still has the CBA front end on this video. Okay, here we're test fitting the varis fenders. It has the new rims on there. That's been obfuscated. This was taken in 2022. Test fitting a few panels. I love the overall fitment and quality of the varis fenders. Trying to see here if I need spacers or not. I'm running a pretty aggressive offset on these rims. I might go with the 5mm spacer. Still has a CBA front end on this picture. I have a DBA front that I'm gonna put on. Also have the 2015 headlights and taillights, not pictured. Overall, I like how things are shaping up at this point. I love the fenders. When it comes to the suspension, I think it looks pretty good now. However, I think I may address that by going with coilovers in the near future. I got the side skirts removed as Ed is about to test fit the top secret carbon replacement ones. All right, now this is the final picture that I took in April 2024. This is me actually touching my car for the first time since 2015. This is a walk around an Ed's shop where my car has been residing since 2016, I believe. A picture of the engine. I got a few engine modifications that I'm doing, full bolt-on or FBO. Here it has the BBSs back on. They're likely going to be for sale in the near future. Likely going to refurbish the carbon wing. However, I have a duckbill trunk that I'm throwing on. I have the varis rear diffuser, the Titan Street exhaust. I'm gonna throw the top secret rear bumper and diffuser on there that you just saw. The varis rear diffuser is likely gonna be for sale as well. I got the tint that I'm gonna address. That's coming obviously in the near future as well. And here's the inside of the car. It's pretty dusty. You can see I have the shift knob that needs to be addressed. I was test fitting the carbon fiber shift knob. But overall, everything looks pretty good in the interior. Likely gonna do one of the bigger screens, either SPD or T-Rex, haven't decided yet. Again, everything is still kind of dusty, but overall pretty good interior-wise. And like and subscribe for updates in the near future. Thank you. See you shortly.